If you have a heavy jump rope, do you actually need to lift weights? In today's video, I'm going to answer that question. Welcome to Muscles by Marcell, where we help you make the world your gym. Videos up every Sunday, so hit the subscribe button and notification bell. A question I see all the time is, do I need to lift weights if I have a weighted jump rope? And yes and no. It depends on what your goal is. First, let's answer the question, can I build muscle with a weighted jump rope? Simply, yes. Yes, it's possible to be able to build muscle with a weighted jump rope. I'm gonna put an asterisk on that and tell you it's not as easy to build muscle mass with a weighted jump rope. What you would be building with a weighted jump rope is a lean muscle. While you can build muscle with a weighted jump rope, it's going to take a lot of time. If you want to build muscle mass, you need resistance. Now, the heaviest jump rope in the world is this rope that I talked about in this video right here, and it's about a good 9 pounds. Now that is a heavy jump rope, but you can just use like some 30-pound dumbbells to be able to get muscle mass. And the rule is with building muscle, the more resistance you have, the more muscle mass you can build. So if you're really trying to grow your muscles and get bigger, you really want to lift weights. Now, don't give up jumping rope. Now I'm going to explain it later, but you want to kind of combine the two. Jumping rope promotes lean muscle, so you're not going to bulk up and you're not going to look like one of those guys in the gym with the muscles on top of the muscles on top of the muscles. But you're going to be one of those sneaky strong people that's just like packed a lot of muscle in. It's highly possible to use a heavy jump rope and get in really elite shape, but you're just not gonna get bigger with using a heavy jump rope. Now, some people will tell you that cardio actually hurts muscle building, and those people would be wrong. There have been several studies done that prove if you do cardio right, you're building muscle. And a heavy jump rope is a good way to take it to the next level. In a study between older men and younger men, it shows that doing about 45 minutes of aerobic exercise properly per day can give you as much muscle growth as resistance training. Now, if you're doing cardio too often or improperly, this will hurt your muscle growth. But so will improper resistance training, so there's really no difference. Now, if you want a few moves that'll help you build muscle with a jump rope, look at this video right here. I used my battle jump rope to show you a few moves that I came up with that helps me build muscle. Now, once again, this is lean muscles, so it's not the big bulk Hulk type muscles, but it is muscles, so I am stronger as a result of these moves. Check that video out. Hit that subscribe button, because next week I'm going to describe every single muscle you're building while you're jumping rope and how to take it to the next level. In the meantime, if you're looking for more jump rope content, check these videos out right here. I'm sure they'll help you. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later.